How to deep clean a bedroom. In today's article I will show you how to deep clean your bedroom. Deep cleaning your bedroom may look like a daunting challenge, but when you follow these steps properly, you will notice that it is not as difficult as you thought. Deep cleaning is a more thorough and intense process than cleaning. It requires you to clean every part of your bedroom the right way, using the right supplies. Keep reading to know how you can do this. What do you need? Microfiber rags. Appropriate cleaning solution. Distilled white vinegar. Bucket. Dusters. Vacuum cleaner or broom. Natural enzymatic cleaners. Garbage covers. Laundry hamper. Process. Washing bedding and pillow covers thoroughly. The first step in deep cleaning your bedroom is to wash the bedding material thoroughly. This includes your mattress covers, pillow covers, blankets, duvets, comforters and similar bedding material. Please use the right cleaning solution for your bedding material. You can mix some distilled white vinegar with the cleaning solution for effective cleaning of the dust and grime stains on the clothes. For more information, please read the label of these materials carefully to know about the washing and drying instructions. Some fabrics can be washed in the machine, whereas some may require washing by hand. So, look for these instructions to wash and dry your bedding materials properly. Washing mattress using the right cleaners. While cleaning mattresses, exercise a lot of caution. Do you plan to wash and clean your mattress entirely, or do you plan to clean only certain stained spots? Regardless of your answer, you should use only natural cleaners or cleaners with mild chemicals. Blot fresh stains with paper towels to absorb the excess moisture from the mattress before proceeding to wash it. Allow the mattress to air dry thoroughly before you use it. Some mattresses like the Tempur-Pedic ones are made of unique Tempur memory foam that shouldn't be exposed to heat or water. Reading the instructions for washing and drying your mattress before actually doing the task is very important. Removing the clutter. Once you have taken care of the dirty bedding and mattress, check for the items that contribute to most of the clutter in your bedroom. Trash and clothes are the main culprits in this case. Pick up all the trash, like papers, bottles, cans, snack packets, spoons, forks and more, and put them in a garbage bin in your bedroom. Pick up the clothes scattered all over, and check if they are soiled or clean. Have a laundry basket to collect all these soiled clothes. Keep clean clothes in proper storage compartments in your wardrobe. Thorough dusting is important. Now, you have reasonable space to move around in your bedroom, so it is the right time for dusting. Dust all the surface areas like cabinets, bedside tables, dressing tables and other places thoroughly with a clean cloth. For effective cleaning, you can make a solution by mixing equal parts of white vinegar and water. Spray this on a microfiber rag and wipe over the surfaces to get rid of the dust accumulated there. Then, you should proceed to get rid of the dust collected in the fans, ceilings, curtains and other hard-to-access places. Use a broom or vacuum cleaner with the right attachments to clean the dust there. Cleaning blinds or window slats. Window slats are quite prone to dust accumulation because of their location. You have to clean these thoroughly before you proceed to clean the windows. Check and clean each slat thoroughly with a soft, microfiber rag. If you find a lot of dust in these slats, you can use your DIY cleaning solution, water and white vinegar, to get rid of the dust accumulated in the slats, getting bedroom windows to sparkle and shine. Once you have cleaned the slats, proceed to clean the windows, mirrors and other glass objects in your bedroom. If everything else looks neat but the glass objects look hazy, the purpose of deep cleaning your bedroom is defeated. So, please remember to use a high-quality glass cleaner to get rid of the dullness and dust. Spray the cleaning solution on a soft rag directly, and scrub this rag gently over the glass windows and mirrors to get back the sparkle and shine in your bedroom. Cleaning and organizing wardrobes in the bedroom. In one of the earlier steps, we told you to put away your clean clothes in the wardrobe. Now is the time to fold and organize these clothes properly. Invest in a few useful hangers to help you put away similar types of clothes in one particular place. While organizing your clothes, you should always keep checking for the clothes that you already have. If you don't use them anymore, take them away from your wardrobes immediately. This will help you find enough space for the things that you actually use. Keeping night lamps, dressing tables and other furniture pieces clean and organized. By now, your bedroom would be at least 75% cleaner than before. One important task remaining in this stage is to keep the surface areas in your bedroom clean and well organized. Invest in a few affordable cabinets with storage compartments of different sizes to keep your daily essentials like cosmetics, watches, mobile chargers and more. This way, you won't leave them scattered all over the place. place. Once you have put away these things, use a soft and clean cloth to wipe these surface areas thoroughly to get rid of the dust accumulated there, sweeping and cleaning the floors to perfection. The last step in deep cleaning your bedroom is sweeping and cleaning your floors thoroughly. Use a small broom or a vacuum cleaner to sweep the corners of your bedroom and gather the dust neatly in a dustpan. Once your floor is free of dust, you can mop the same properly, using the right quantity of floor cleaner. Allow the floors to air dry thoroughly. If you have carpets, read the instructions carefully before cleaning the stains and drying them. Additional tips and advice. Keep cleaning the trash in your bedroom regularly. This could mean getting rid of unnecessary items, torn clothes, things that don't belong in the bedroom and the like. Do this at least once a week to make the deep cleaning process easier than expected. Always invest in extra bedding materials, so that you can use a fresh set, while the other set is being washed. Try to avoid cleaners with harsh chemicals or bleaching agents when cleaning fabrics like curtains, carpets and mattresses. Pinterest, Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, email, share.